Hello everybody and welcome back. Alright, quick video today. I wanted to show you guys how to farm hours on Steam. There are a couple reasons you might want to do this. The main two being, number one, if you've ever seen those reviews on some games where people have an absurd amount of hours and then they leave a simple comment like, the game's alright, the game's okay, to kind of flex how many hours you have in a game. This might be one reason you want to do it, or the more important reason, if you buy a game just so that you can unlock some of the different emotes or profile backgrounds or whatever it is from the point shop, as you can see, if you don't have enough hours in a game, it'll tell you cannot redeem points for this item because you do not own the associated game or do not have 2 hours of playtime in it. So as you can see on this one, Nekopara Volume 0, I only have 32 minutes played. So if I wanted to buy something from the point shop, I would need to farm an hour and 30 minutes so that I would be able to actually buy things from the point shop. So anyways, let me show you how to do this. First thing, obviously you're going to want to make sure that the game that you want to do this for is installed. Now what you're going to want to do, open your File Explorer, go into your C drive, go into the Windows folder, go into System32, and then you're gonna have to scroll down a lot. Scroll down until you find an exe by the name of cmd.exe right here. Once you find where the cmd.exe is, go ahead and right click, copy it, and then go back into whatever game you want to do this for. Right click, go to manage, go to browse local files. And as you can see, this is where all of the game files are. You can see the game exe right here. What we're going to want to do is paste the cmd.exe right here. And now what you're going to want to do is on the game executable, you're going to want to copy the name of the real exe and then add something to the end of this. I'm just going to add a dash and then rename the command.exe to whatever this was named beforehand. And now whenever we run this game, I'm gonna put my Steam in offline mode so that my friends don't see I'm playing this. Now when you run the game, it's going to open a command prompt. It should say something like it can't find the message text or something like that. But as you can see, the game now says that it's running because it thinks that this command prompt is the game itself. Now you can just minimize this, set a timer for an hour, 30 minutes, and then when you come back, go ahead and hit stop on the game. You can hit confirm. You can see it closes the command prompt, and we will have the amount of hours. Then you'll be able to spend your points in the point shop. If you ever want to go back and actually be able to play the game again, all you have to do is once again browse the local files, delete the exe of the one that you created, and then go ahead and rename the real executable back to its real name. So I'm just going to delete the dash from this one. And now when we run it, you'll see it will actually run the game this time. There we go. Also with Steam, you can have multiple games open at the same time. So you can do this to multiple games in a row and have like 3 to 4 games open that aren't running a lot of CPU usage in the background. Alright, and that's going to be the end of this video. If this helped you out, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment if you need help with anything, and I can try to help the best I can. Subscribe to my main channel, by the way. This is my second channel. A lot of people don't realize my main channel, I upload funny moments and stuff. Anyways, that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.